there for today's reading activity. We are going to be doing a sort. Realistic and unrealistic. Realistic, unrealistic. So you have different pictures, like here's a picture of an apple with the face. Is that realistic or unrealistic? I'm not going to give you the answer, but I want you to think about it. Realistic means it can be real. Unrealistic is not real. It's fake. So think about this. This apple has a face. That means it's alive. Is that real? Or is that realistic or unrealistic? Think of it, look at this apple. This apple is just a plain apple. Okay? So we're going to be matching these pictures where they belong. I'll go over each one. This is a bear who's drinking coffee, working at her desk. And then over here I have another picture. This is a hen who's cooking dinner for her little chicks. Okay. And then here's another picture of a duck that just hatched. Okay. Here is just a hen with her baby chicks. An apple, a duck with an umbrella, and here is a teddy bear on a chair. It's not alive, just sitting on a chair. So what I'd like for you to do is I'd like for you to sort these pictures. If it's unrealistic, we'll put the pictures here. Unrealistic, remember, it means it is fake, not real. Realistic means it looks like it could be real. It could really happen. Okay? So go ahead and sort things. I hope you enjoyed today's little reading activity.